my camera. Sorry, guys. Still technical difficulties. There we go. There we go. Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan, and today we got another live stream for y'all. Some interesting things are happening in the market. Sir Elon Musk is back shilling memes and cryptocurrencies. What the heck does this mean for the markets? Let's go ahead and take a look. I mean, this is obviously very bullish for the crypto markets and very bullish for the meme coin segment as well. So again, a ton of things we're covering in today's video. We're also going to be taking a look at some of the best projects to buy right now, what my personal thoughts are and what's going on with the market and where I see the market going, a bunch of price predictions, and again, the chat box open, so feel free to drop your suggestions. We can do some live scans as well. Before we start, I do want to say none of this is financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Like I said, I am not a financial advisor. Therefore, this is not financial advice. All right, taking a look at this tweet. This is the tweet that kind of started the whole frenzy today. Floki is back on the job as X's CEO, and it's a post of like a Shiba Inu dog that's in this office. If you didn't know, you know now. Elon Musk's dog, his name is Floki. That's why this whole Floki meme coin got so popular last cycle. It went absolutely insane. Now, on the day, it's currently only up 10%. A little bit of selling pressure going on. But around the time Elon made that tweet, it jumped up over 30%. So again, the people are still watching. It looks like Elon still has a lot of pull when we're talking about the crypto markets. Also, guys, I do want to ask for those watching live and those watching the replay, check out Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the partner of my channel or of the channel. It is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Every download supports the channel tremendously, and it's a fantastic wallet that I actually use myself. You're able to buy and swap Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with the Best Wallet. The smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto in 2025. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. It's been recommended by Forbes, Business Insider, Bitcoin.com, New York Post, you name it. A bunch of reputable sources in the crypto space as well as the finance space. Multi-chain, multi-wallet, ton of features built in the wallet, and supports 60 plus chains. Every download supports the channel tremendously, and it's linked in the description box below if you want to check it out. All right, but back to this whole Elon Musk tweet and Floki. So essentially, Elon makes his tweet. It causes Floki to pump. And it wasn't just Floki that pumped. There was a bunch of new Floki meme coins that kind of came out of nowhere. We can actually go and see on Dex, and that's where we see a clear picture. It was probably the most popular narrative today. There was this Floki meme coin that kind of popped out of nowhere. It's currently, up over 10% on the hour. On the day, up over 1,800%. It's absolutely insane. It looks like his launch on BNB chain, which is nuts. And that's not the only one. There was many Floki coins that launched today, trying to just take advantage of the hype and the news. But again, I personally think that the OG Floki is going to be the clear-cut winner. I mean, this is a Floki and BNB. Someone basically just instantly created a coin as the tweet went live. But I personally think the big winner here is going to be the OG Floki. Again, because of a couple things. It's already listed on most exchanges, Binance included, Coinbase included. So again, it has liquidity. It also has decent buyers and holders. So again, that also leaves a stable floor price. It's nearly, or not nearly, it has over $713 million market cap. These are all bullish signs that I believe is what's going to make Floki stand out. Again, if you missed it, Floki is not just a meme coin. It's an entire utility play. The people's cryptocurrency, Floki is the ultimate utility token of the Floki ecosystem. Utility or the ecosystem includes the Valhalla, the Floki's play to earn metaverse. They got the Floki trading bot where you're able to buy, sell, and manage tokens on Telegram. They got the Tokify, Toki Hub, or Floki Hub, the staking, the Flokify, NFTs, Floki debit cards, Floki places, the Floki University, and so much more. So they continue to deliver on utility, which is what makes it stand out. And it looks like Elon Musk is starting to show meme coins again. It's going to be very bullish for Floki and the broader markets. Again, it wasn't too long ago where Elon Musk was shilling Pepe style meme coins and literally interacted with the whole Pepe narrative. So it looks like Elon is still more into meme coins, which is very bullish. I'm trying to find the meme for you guys over here. It was this one. Elon Musk, I think this was unfortunately, after one of his rockets didn't go so well. He posts Pepe style meme going, obviously Pepe replying. So again, he's still into the meme side of things very well. And again, with the market starting to recover, this could be very bullish. Now, talking about market recovery, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. On the day, are we in the red right now? Oh my God, literally 20 minutes ago, we were in the green. But on the day, we were in the green. At one point today, Bitcoin was holding above 110. Now, obviously, we see it's dipped about 3%. Fear ingredients is currently at 33. RSI at 42. Earlier today was at 45, and altcoin is still 27 out of 100. So again, still a little bit selling pressure going on. But I think once the dust settles, once the calm comes in, the calm after storm comes in, I think we're about to see massive pumping across the board throughout the broader markets. And again, if this momentum sustains, we are going to see a lot of money flowing into alts and memes specifically. And that's what makes me so bullish on the markets right now. Is something big is coming, as a fantastic time to buy. Right after this live goes live, there's an update video coming up for Pepe. I kind of show you how a lot of smart money is starting to buy into some of these larger cap meme coins, especially because they're down so dramatically, right? When we look at the top meme coin market, we're seeing a sea of red. Even though, yeah, we're actually red on the day, volume's up, we're down over 3% on the day, we're seeing a sea of red. There's a lot of phenomenal opportunity across the board. SPX below $1 is a fantastic price, down over 23% this week alone. Base spread down over 20%. There's a lot of opportunities in the market for those who are just simply paying attention. Even in terms of most visited memes, Floki at number 1, Doge at number 2. You know, some of Elon Musk's favorite meme coins, Pepe at number 4, Shib at number 3, Trump at number 5. There is so many opportunity. You just have to be locked in and paying attention to see what's happening. Talking about paying attention, I want to talk about a cryptocurrency that I've been covering very closely on this channel. I've been paying attention to this one at least. This one's called Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain. Scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. Bitcoin Hyper aims to solve a massive pain point in Bitcoin, which is scalability. They want people to actually build on Bitcoin, and that's what Hyper's main goal is. Bitcoin Hyper will finally unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin payments, meme coins, and dApps. In 10 hours, they're set to have their next price increase, and they've raised over $24.4 million in their pre-sale. Staking reward is currently 49%. This one's insane because they're raising so much money at like this crazy speed, which is nuts. It was just a couple days ago, they reached a massive milestone of raising 24M. Well, that's 23M. Where's the 24M post? Did I miss it? It's so crazy. When you go live, you see you tend to miss things. There we go. On the 17th, okay? And just 17th, currently, technically speaking, it's still 20th. So 18, 19, 20. In 3 days, they raised over $400,000, so a little bit less than 200,000, somewhere between the $100,000 to $150,000 a day raising money, which goes to show a whole lot of investor confidence. And again, it doesn't just end on their Twitter, okay? If you just simply do a quick search, Bitcoin Hyper on Google, you see the phenomenal amount of articles coming in and why people believe that this is going to be the viral L2 pre-sale, the best new crypto for 2025. They're raising so much money, a lot of whales coming in, plus they just have the factor that differentiates itself by being a solid L2 project that's going to basically allow building and scalability coming to Bitcoin. So again, if you're into pre-sales, you're absolutely going to love Bitcoin Hyper. So definitely check that one out. But back to the markets, guys. What do I see happening in the markets? With Bitcoin specifically, down to 107, literally earlier today, above 110, is actually above 111. Okay, so we're seeing a little bit of sell-off and cool-off. And I think some big things are coming into the markets by the end of October. Forget about the end of the year. By the end of October, I personally think we're going to see Bitcoin hit all-time highs. And seeing Elon Musk kind of interact with the crypto space today made me very bullish for this. As Bitcoin climbs back above 110, the market heats up. 119,000 traders liquidated in the past 24 hours. $497 million total liquidation. 332 million from short positions. Largest single liquidation, 12.28 million on hyper liquidity. The shakeout before Bitcoin's next big move. That's definitely what's starting to seem like. Because again, simultaneously we're seeing all this red, we're also seeing institutions really doubling up. We've seen Justin Sun teases a possible TON-X based collaboration. Again, this is very cool. A lot of innovation happening within the crypto market. I also saw, I think it was BlackRock was buying the dip as well. Ethereum supply squeezing coming. ETH exchange reserves just hit 2025 lows at 60.8 billion. While whales are stacking up hard, the supply dries up and buyers move in. Even small demand spikes can trigger big price moves. So again, a lot of interest flowing into some of these larger alts, which I feel like people are not paying attention to. They're just paying attention to the headlines, they're paying attention to the red. But again, it takes time to kind of send the market into a frenzy. And again, today was one of those big moments, right? Elon Musk's tweet, as small as it was a massive shift in the market, right? We can see again, Floki surging nearly 30% simply by a post, which is absolutely insane. But again, just goes to show how volatile the markets are. Just then, Michael Saylor from Strategy adds another 168 Bitcoin worth 18 million at an average price of $112,000 per Bitcoin. Company now holds over 640,000 Bitcoin, acquired for 47 billion at an average cost of 74,000 per Bitcoin. So again, Michael Saylor just continues to buy the dip. BlackRock continues to buy the dip. Large institutions just continue to buy the dip. That's why you have to start paying attention. These are the times to be loading up. And again, Elon Musk back in the mix. This is what I'm talking about. The memes are coming back. The alts are coming back. Talking about memes, alts come back. Another meme coin that we're covering in the pre-sale, Snorter, has recently extended their pre-sale. Their pre-sale is set to end yesterday, and they actually decide to extend their pre-sale by popular demand to another 7 days. It is your final chance to buy Snort. 6 days and 8 hours remain. They have reached over $5.3 million. But what is Snort? Snort is the main token for Snorter, the Solana meme coin trading bot. Snorter is an adventurous artwork that blends meme coin fun with real crypto trading prowess. Powered through Telegram, Snorter is the best crypto trading bot. Help you sniff out the rarest market opportunities. They offer the lowest fees on Solana, fast execution on Solana, exclusive access to new token, front running, and MEV protection. Some of the bot features include display on the screen, fast secure swaps, honeypot detection, automated sniping, as well as rug pull protection, copy trading, and limit orders. Especially when the market's picking up again, if people are going to start trading Solana memes in the trenches, a bot like this could be very advantageous, especially for those who adopt early. Some of the features compared to some of the top trading bots in the market, we see they're definitely doing their thing, really offering maximum utility. Again, this is your final chance to buy as a pre-sale is ending in just 6 days and 8 hours. So again, something big could be coming for this one. If you're interested in buying, you buy with card or crypto direct from the website. And I've left the website link in the description box below. But back to meme coins, what's going on in the market? Where do I see the market shifting from here? Let's go ahead and take a look specifically at the key, I want to say the elephant in the room, or we should say the dog in the room. Dog meme coins are definitely here to stay and making a massive move. Obviously, Dogecoin and Floki, 2 coins Elon Musk has relatively attracted with. But again, Bondcoin as well is in a very good buying opportunity. Dogfat as well, under 50 cents is insane, especially when it's already on its road to $5. We're looking in 10x zone for Dog with Hat as well. So again, looking like a fantastic time to strike. And again, Baby Doge is another meme coin I've been very, very bullish for. Again, Baby Doge very similar to Floki in terms of like the utility. I think something absolutely massive is coming. Look like they made a community post 8 hours ago. Doge father is revealed. You're gonna contest the paternity, Elon Musk or what? What the heck? Oh God, the meme coin market never ceases to amaze me. Okay, let's see what this has to say.
Doge, you are the father of Baby Doge. Here we go.
Oh, the world we live in. So it looks like Doge the father of Baby Doge. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. The Doge father's revealed. Hey, I don't make the memes. I just enjoy them. I just think the dog memes are here to stay. So you definitely want to take advantage and buy up some of these memes when they're at these really good price points. Talking about a meme, a dog theme meme coin that has potential. There's Maxi Doge. Again, Dogecoin, obviously OG, big dog in the crypto world, literally #1 by market cap. Maxi Doge wants to bring that same energy, but to the max. Maxi Doge trades on 1000x leverage, no stop loss, feel the Maxi pump. Yeah, I feel like there's sensitive words right now, especially when people are getting liquidated right, left, and center. Maxi Doge just has this degen energy. He's raised over $3.7 million in this pre-sale. If you're just buying, simply connect your wallet. Max rip, max gains. It just has this whole like degen nature, degen energy. Just trying to offer no utility, all vibes. There's a little bit of utility, a little bit of holder incentives. As you can see on the key features tab, we see leverage king culture. So Maxi represents the 1000x energy holder share strategies to amplify returns. So again, it looks like there'll be some VIP chat for the holders. And the Maxi fund treasury reserve, fuel liquidity and partnership campaigns, holder only competition, weekly trading leaderboard, and max rip maxi gain challenges, meme first marketing, viral gym bro humor, driving awareness far beyond the crypto circle. So again, it's a meme coin for the degens, but again, these dog themed meme coins seem to be the king of the market, so why not invest wisely? Again, the reason why we're so bullish on pre-sale on the channel, again, you see a lot of pre-sale coverage, is pre-sales are a great opportunity to buy into solid projects before they go live at lower prices. What I mean by lower prices, you can see the countdown, and all these memes I covered for the pre-sales at least have these countdowns. They incentivize people to buy in early, so again, you get a reward for being early. Plus, they usually offer decent staking rewards. In this case, Maxstore is offering 82% AP. So again, a phenomenal way to grow your bag without having to face the volatility of the markets. Again, if you're interested in buying this Presale or any other Presale we covered, I'll link all of them in the description box below. Now, back to the meme coin side of things. What are my current top picks? Again, in no particular order, I just want to cover some meme coins I see having some crazy upside potential. I want to start off talking about Toshi. Again, Toshi, if you're subscribed to my personal channel, I'm very bullish for Toshi. I cover Toshi almost every single day. I think this meme coin has everything written over it that it could be the next Shiba Inu. It kind of launched on a random chain, which is not random, but base popular chain. It was one of the first base meme coins to be listed on Coinbase, which is insane. Again, they just continue to really dominate the market. I want to show you, I made a whole dedicated video for Toshi earlier today. But again, some cool things. Along with the cat, Toshi is listed in the US. So again, bullish listing today for the US. Again, I feel like the community is not bullish enough for Toshi. There's a nice bull post. Okay, there we go. This is a bull post I was covering earlier today. Did you know Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, has a cat named Toshi? Cool. Did you know Base app was formerly known as Toshi? Cool. Did you know that Coinbase is the third largest holding on Base chain? Is Toshi. So the third largest holding is Toshi. Okay, you know now you're not bullish enough on Toshi. Some more fun facts for Toshi. Toshi is the largest cat-themed meme coin by market cap. Toshi is the largest meme coin on Base chain by market cap. Toshi at one point had more volume when listed on Coinbase than Bitcoin. Again, these are not all tales, these are facts. Again, very, very bullish for Toshi. Now, if Toshi could be the next Shiba Inu of the cycle, right? Where can we see this market cap sit? I'll go ahead and show you. So if Toshi gets to the market cap of SHIB, we're looking at about 20x potential from today's prices. However, if we go all-time high prices for SHIB, which I believe is possible for Toshi, we're looking at over 140x and seeing Toshi all the way to 10 cents. So again, I'm very bullish on Toshi, even though it's on a dot. It's cat themed meme token. Again, sometimes it's nice to show love to both sides. So I've been pretty bullish for Toshi. Another meme coin I've been very bullish for is Pepe. I've been covering Pepe religiously on this channel because I think Pepe is going to be another breakout star. After having a terrible month down over 36%, this could be a phenomenal time to be loading up on Pep as the markets are starting to regain momentum. Something big could be coming. Again, I have a whole dedicated video coming out for Pep later today. Baby Doge, another honorable mention. Again, another very, very bullish personal meme coin I have is for Pengu. Again, I think Pudgy Penguins is one day going to trade $1. And the fact that you buy sub, or not sub, but right around the 2 cent mark is an absolute no-brainer. It's an absolute steal. We can also see Penguins showing early signs of recovery after weeks of downward pressure. The price is bounced to 2 cent support zone. Now retesting the resistance around the 2.4 to 2.6. A breakout above the range could confirm a shift in momentum towards the 3 cent mark, while rejection might lead to another retest of 2 cents. Traders are watching closely for daily close above the descending channel to confirm potential trend reversal. Again, this is not a meme coin, guys. This is an entire IP. They already have one of the most popular games in the App Store right now. It's like a whole Mario Clash racing style game. They continue to get massive coverage in the media. I think this one is a no-brainer. And again, one of my top favorite meme coins. Now, on this theme of my meme coins, I cover Pepe. There's another presale, the last presale live stream sharing with you guys today. Pepe Node. I think this is arguably one of the best presales in the market right now, simply because of the unique utility they have to offer, and that's a gamified version of crypto mining. So this is a Pepe Node, a mine to earn meme coin. Pepe Node lets you build your own virtual meme coin mining rig, where you can buy nodes, build your server room, and combine nodes for huge bonuses. They're offering 678% staking rewards. So you buy meme nodes, upgrade your faculties, and earn meme coins. A little bit about how this works. Pepe Node brings gamified meme coin mining to the masses. No physical computing power required. Pepe Node allows you to build a customized meme coin mining rig in your own virtual server room. More nodes equals more meme coins. And again, remember, no physical computing power required, unlike traditional mining. Plus, they're offering 678% staking reward. This one's looking like an absolute no-brainer. They've raised nearly $1.9 million in a pre-sale, and in 9 hours, they're set to have the next price hike. So I buy at the lowest time. Now is the time to buy. How the mining works, you start with this empty server room, you buy your first node, you can combine nodes for better bonuses, and you can also sell your nodes as well. So you get a nice gamified version they added to the mining side of things, which makes this a very, very cool opportunity. Now, guys, to sum this whole live up, we did a lot. We talked about pre-sales, we talked about some of my favorite meme coins, we talked about the current market situation. One thing for sure, is we're starting to see a shift in market. I think we're going to end the month of October very, very strong. And if my prediction is true, we're going to end with all-time highs for Bitcoin specifically. And I think that's what's going to trigger the whole alt season and the alt rally. So again, now is the time to position yourself correctly. Load your bags how you may, as something absolutely massive could be coming to the market. I think seeing today, like Elon Musk post about Floki, I know it wasn't literally a Floki, like it's not like he was shilling Floki coin specifically, but I think him just dabbling today, teasing today, was a key sign to what could be coming next, right? And what's coming next? I believe a very bullish wave, an alt season like we haven't yet witnessed before. Again, obviously it's not financial advice, it's just my personal opinion, but that's kind of where I see the market stemming and the market going from here. But again, guys, do let me know your personal price predictions, where you see the market going, where you see Bitcoin going. I personally think we're going to end the year. Again, this is might sound a bit bullish, it might sound out there, but I think we are going to end the year for Bitcoin specifically in the 145, 165 zone. I've said it on tape. I'm standing by that price prediction. I think once that happens, we're really going to see the shift in market. We're really going to see money start to flow in. And I think that's when we're really going to see some mass pushing. But again, guys, that wraps up the live. Again, we haven't really figured out an exact schedule on how we're going to be running these lives and how we're going to operate them. But at this point, we're just playing it by ear. So again, if you enjoy watching these live streams, do let me know in the comment section below. Again, we read the comments. It kind of keeps us going. And again, we're trying our best to deliver you some of the best content. Again, also all the presets I covered in today's stream will be linked in the description box below for your convenience, as well as a link for Best Wallet, the partner for our channel. And that pretty much wraps up the live. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one.